It's recording now. Perfect. All right, guys. Well, first of all, for all of you guys who are new, the first thing that I'm gonna be asking you is to create a CodePen. Okay. So let me share my screen for a moment. Let me show you what is CodePen. Okay. Let me go to my pen actually. Sorry. One second. This is what we're going to be doing today. All right. I'm going to copy and paste this to the chat so all of you can see it. Right? You're going to go to codepen.io. I'm going to ask you guys to create an account. CodePen is an online editor. It's the place where we've been working during the last session of the coding club. And the good thing about CodePen is that everything is safe on the cloud. You don't need to have your files downloaded in the computers to work in CodePen. Okay. Another thing for all of you who are new, I don't know if you are in a computer or in your cell phone, but it is very important that you're working in a computer. Even though some of these web pages, editors, and some of the resources that we are going to be using, you can open that in your phone. It's very difficult actually and uncomfortable to be working in your phone and at the same time having the Zoom meeting and having all these things at the same time. So if this is the first time and you're in a phone, that's okay, but next time try to get on a computer, or if you can switch to a computer like right away, that's even better, right? And so let me know when you guys ready, okay? That's for Ransha, that's for Evan, for Sonia. Okay, I know Marisela and Marion, you already have that. Okay, we're gonna be trying to move on a little bit and explain what we're gonna be doing today, right? So, as you guys know, the idea of this coding club is that we're gonna be working. In a project, right? The entire idea of this coding club is that all of you guys can get a project done. So the project we're going to be doing involves a little bit JavaScript, a lot of HTML, and some CSS. And as I was explaining before, the idea is that for you guys not to start something from scratch, but to use the tools that are already given in the internet for free and reuse somebody else's work, because that's what most of the coders do. They reuse somebody else's code. So today we're going to be introducing Foundation. A question: some of you, any of you guys have heard about Foundation, or maybe about Bootstrap? You can say something. Some of you guys, Foundation or Bootstrap, here in the chat, you can test me. Say yes, say no. Or you say no. Even fan, okay, we just got through the tutorials. Just go through the tutorials. I'm gonna be explaining that. Don't worry. Don't go too far, Evan. So right now, what I want everybody who is new is to get ready the CodePen account. You can do it with your school email or any other email that is good for you. Anyway, I'm not gonna be having access to your accounts. So I just recommend you to have any account, any email, to put any email that you use in a daily basis or anything. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna be showing you a part of foundation. So Evan, question. So you know what is foundation, right? What about Ransha? What about Sonia?
I don't know.
Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. That's okay. Okay, so what is foundation? What is bootstraps? Frameworks, they are like templates for developers, for web developers, that we use to create, of course, websites and web pages, right? In Foundation and Bootstrap, you have different many tools. Let me open Bootstrap and let me show you what you can do with Bootstrap as well. And there is always what is better, Bootstrap or Foundation.
What does it mean, bootstrap?
Sorry?
I'm sorry, what does it mean, bootstrap?
It's just a name actually. It doesn't have like a real meaning.
Oh,
Yeah, exactly. It's just a name. Bootstrap and Foundation, they are just names, but they can, they should, I mean, they call it, they can be called another way, but yeah. Because it says quickly design and customize responsive mobile first sites with Bootstrap, the world's most popular front-end open source toolkit featuring, okay, this is another thing, blah, 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 blah. By the way, Twitter uses Bootstrap, just so that you know, guys. So what's the thing? For example, Expo. Let me show you these web pages. Super Mario Odyssey. This web page has a lot of Bootstrap, right? They are using a lot of the components of Bootstrap in these web pages. So Bootstrap is like a layout, and Foundation is not like another layout, right? And you just modify or take whatever you like for your own designs, right? For example, ColorMint, ColorMint. This ColorMint web page it was made with Bootstrap. For example, tax day as well. Very beautiful. So there is a lot. And as you see, guys, they are very different. They are very different websites. They're very different, but the layout, the template of this is Bootstrap, right? Look at this, right? Very nice websites. And the same happened to Foundation. Oh, what happened here? Give me 1 second. It's the same thing here, right? Washington Post, National Geographic, you know, Arlington Public School, different brands. So what's the thing, guys? What's the point? The point is that there is a lot of different tools in the internet. There's a lot of tools in the internet. There is a lot of things that are free. Some of them you have to pay for it, or some of them are expensive. Some of them are very cheap. But the thing is that we as developers, no matter if we are web developers or we're working as a app development, mobile development, whatever it is, we need to know how to use the different tools that we have in the internet. All right. So between Bootstrap And foundation, it's just a matter of preference. I prefer foundation, but it's just me. I'm not saying you have to do it like that. It's just me. I have used both of them with the knowledge that we got in school. I use both of them, both codes, both templates, kind of templates. And for me, it was kind of easier foundation, and that's why I'm gonna be using foundation. But I really encourage you guys to check both if you are into web design. Okay, if you are into web design, that's different. Okay, so let's move on. Question for you guys. For everybody who is new, do you guys have the open already done, the account? Lenicia, welcome back. And the chat is always giving me a hard time. Evan said, yeah. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Okay, Mario Marisara, I know you have the Copen. I guess you have it. Ransha, let me know if you are done creating the Copen account. And also Sonia, let me know if you are done with the Copen account because we're gonna start working soon, okay? All right, go back to foundation. So let me show you guys the main things that we're gonna be using. For all of you, even for me, I really recommend you to use tutorials and start from scratch, right? But because we have very little time in the coding club and everything, I was gonna say just to go straight, right? So just gonna right click in develop. Somebody send me something to the chat. And as usual, the chat doesn't show up. Okay, a Copen account.
So do you want us, I'm sorry, do you want us to download Foundation or
No.
just only work with Copen for the moment?
No. A foundation, you don't need to download it because the idea is that we're gonna be working in Copen, okay? You can download the packages of foundation and work in your computer if you want, but that's completely different. Well, I am still kind of introducing it. So, okay.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so give me a couple of minutes. I'm just gonna be sending this again. For Sonia, you go to copen.io and you create an account with your email, with one email, okay? That's for you, Sonia, and also for Ransha, right? Perfect. Okay. So this is the introduction page of what it is or how to get introduced to Foundation, right? Of course, I always say that tutorial is good. We're gonna be looking for it a little bit, right? But in today's class, we're gonna be working with the HTML templates, okay? We have different resources. We have different tools here in Foundation. One of them are the HTML templates, right? So let's see what we got. So in the HTML templates, you have different options, right? For example, if you want to start from the very scratch, there is something called kitchen sink. And this is very specific, right? What is kitchen sink? Kitchen sink is pretty much like little parts of everything. Okay, I got something else in the chat. 1 second. All with the chat give me a hard time. All with the chat give me a hard time. Sorry, guys. All right, wait. Do we download Foundation for newcomers? You don't need to download anything. All right, guys. You don't need to download anything. Okay. I mean, well, actually, let me show you something that you need to download, but don't go further than that. Okay, don't move further than that. The idea is that we can be able to do everything on the cloud and not in our computers. So that's the main idea of the entire thing. Okay, I don't know if I can do it like this. Yeah, give me 1 second, guys. I'm just trying to make this just always visible. All right. Oh, sorry. All right. So this is the kitchen sink. Do we have to use BBC email? No. Whatever email is good for you, right? Okay. Okay. So welcome to the kitchen sink. All right. You can install, as I told you before, and I know that this is your concern, guys. Yeah, you can install Foundation and start using the blocks that they offers, because you can working with blocks, or you can use the little pieces of code, or you can use the little pieces of blocks that they use, right? So here, for example, they give you, they give you different tools, right? Different tools, right? So if you want to use this SY Greek, you just copy and paste it. You copy and paste it in your code. To give you an example. To give you another example that I saw, give me 1 second. I saw this before. Installation, compatibility, kitchen sink. Okay, in the kitchen sink, right? You wanna add this these inputs for tests. You just copy and paste the code. Example. Oops. 1 second. Here. For example, this menu. You wanna do a menu like this with items, and with this item like this in this kind of list, you just copy and paste it, right? This budgie, you want it, you copy and paste it, right? The breadcrumbs, the buttons, right? Where you can find that, everything you can find that in the kitchen sink, right? In the kitchen sink. So that's one thing that I wanted to show you, right? The other way that you can use Foundation is that you can download it and start using the repository. I think that's a little bit more complicated, to be honest. I mean, it can be more complicated if you don't know how to install it and you have problem installing in your computer, you have problem with compatibility, and it's also for people who really wants to work with the computer. I mean, with the Foundation in the computer and not in the cloud. But the idea is that we start doing things in the cloud, all right? So for example, oh, sorry. There is something else calling building blocks. Building blocks. If we have time today, we're going to be working with them. Maybe another time, if we have time. but building blocks are super useful, super extremely useful. Let me tell you that I have, I think, at least 1 or 2 projects for school were done with building blocks. Yeah, I think one of them. So for example, you want, this is a building block. What is a building block? It's a part of the web page. It's a little part of the web page. If you see this bar over here, if you want a bar like that in your web page, you can just copy and paste the HTML code and also the CSS code. For all of you who are lost, HTML is the language where you program or do any work for, it's the content of the web pages. To make it simple, it's the content of the web pages, HTML. Anything that is in a web page is HTML code. And CSS is just a set of rules. It's like a language where we set rules for the appearance. For example, color, this is gonna be the color. We put the colors with hexadecimal numbers. You don't have to know the hexadecimal numbers. This is something very easy. You can put blue, yellow, red, right? So let's move on. If you have any question, please let me know. I know that for all of you who are new, this can be like confusing because we already gave the introduction to HTML, CSS, JavaScript in the last classes, right? So no matter what, you have any concern or not, you have any question or not, by the end of this class, you're gonna have something. I'm pretty sure of that. Pretty sure of that. So, okay, top bar with animation, blah, blah, blah. For example, these containers. If you want a container like this for your web page, that you click and it moves. Easy. You just copy and paste it. You are not violating any law by copy and pasting from Foundation or Bootstrap. So that's why it's very important, and that's why everybody uses it. Okay. Example, this form, this kind of form over here. This is amazing. I mean, it's all for us, guys. It's all for us. So today, we're gonna be doing something that is gonna be kind of easy for all of you who already know what is. I mean, who know a little bit of coding. I already introduced the kitchen sink, right? The kitchen sink. I introduced the foundation packages if you want to download it, right? I also introduced the building blocks, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing today. And I think this is very useful, very straightforward for all of you guys who wants to start using the HTML templates, okay? What is this? This is the responsive foundation templates, HTML templates. So they say here, a responsive templates to kick off your projects. Pretty much, you can do any project with these templates, guys. Pretty much anything, you know. And they are, each of these responsive HTML templates. What it means that it's responsive? It means that you can see that in your phone. That's what it really means. So this is amazing because when you are creating a web page, one of the major headaches that designers have is that to make responsive, to make the web page responsive. And you have already responsive over here. So I want you guys, all of you, to go over there, right? I want all of you guys to go over there. Okay. Okay, I got a message here and I didn't see it for some reason. Where can you find building blocks on the site? Okay, for everyone. These are the templates, right? I just sent the email for the templates, right? That I told you guys, because I want all of you to be there. But pretty much, if you want to see the building blocks or anything, just go to Foundation SORP. Then you go to Develop, Foundation for Sites, Building Blocks. I'm gonna send that to you privately. Sorry for error. So question, guys. Everybody's there? Is everybody there?
So we have to download
We're gonna be downloading one of them, but give me 1 second. I wanna make sure that everybody's there.
Yeah, we're here.
So Evan is here. Everybody else, Rasha, let me see.
Yeah, I'm here.
Vinicia, Maricela, Mariun, Sonia, Rancha, Josephine. Welcome, Josephine. All right. Here. Okay, perfect. Thank you, guys. You're the best. All right. So I was where I was here, Foundation for Sites, right? And then we're going to HTML templates, right? So I wanted to show you guys. You can see the demo, right? For example, this is the template for like a news, for like a news web page. You want to make a newspaper, a news web page? Here we go, right? Real estate. And to be honest with you guys, I used this before. I used this one, I think. Oh, no, it was not this one. It was another one. But for example, for real estate, you can use this, okay? House number 1, house number 2, house number 3, whatever. You know, here in Queens, New York, whatever it is. You can change these links. You can make these links work. You can make this button work. All this over here, this text, the idea is to change it for whatever you need, right? So this is the one that we're going to be using. Okay, and this is actually this is the one that I was using for one project in school. Now I remember. In Foundation, you don't have to. You can erase what you don't need. You can get rid of whatever you don't need, and you can use whatever you want. So for my project in school, I remember that I get rid of this web page. I mean, this picture over here. This slide of pictures over here. I get rid of that. And this, I make it double. So it was 8 pictures. And I think I get rid of half of this. And also get rid of all of this because it was just too much. All right. So this is the template that I want you guys to use today. Okay. This template. So let's go back, and e-commerce homepage. This one you're going to be pressing download. So let me know when all of you guys have it. Okay. Please download it, and let me know when all of you guys have it, and also when all you guys have the CodePen, please, because we're going to be working on the CodePen.
Sorry, which one you want us to download?
The e-commerce homepage. It's the third one.
Okay.
Yeah, that one. So I'm gonna be checking the chat over here. So let me know, guys. Okay, let me open the chat because this chat always. What is the chat? Okay. Okay. Okay, I got a lot of messages and the chat as usual because Zoom is not the best app. The chat is giving me a hard time. Okay, give me 1 second. Yes, here, and I say, I don't know where to locate it. Okay, Evan, give me 1 second. It's for, okay, I think you already got it, yeah. It's for everyone, right? Yeah. I'm on the website and I click on the foundation sign. I'm getting a message saying error. I don't know, that's weird. I think you have connection problems with your internet, maybe. Or that's for you, Josephine. Okay, Evan, everyone's right. Just download it. Don't worry, I found it. That was before. Okay, perfect. So far, Ransha is done with the download. Sonia is done with the download. Who else is done with the download? You can grab me in the chat, please. Mayun. Okay, we have 3 people. Same here. Don't we download? Okay, perfect. Linicia, let me know. I think this is kind of whatever you were doing before. I know that this is not new for you, but I hope you find it interesting as well. Somebody else?
I have a question. Once you download it, it's supposed to show you 2000 times 750 pixels. Is that what it is? I don't know.
All right. Yeah. I mean, when you download it, what you are downloading is an HTML file. Because I already downloaded, let me show you the file, right? So I go to my desktop.
It might just say download it and then it's open the file. That's what's showing. I don't know if I'm on the right track.
Just download it and don't open it, but go to do the same that I'm doing now, guys. Okay, let's go. For example, I download, right? I press download and I download it, right? It's different. It's gonna show up different depending on the browser you are using, the computer. But just go to files, and it's usually in downloads or whatever is the folder you are using. And here it is. Just gonna cut it and paste it to my desktop. And this is the file.
Is that what you want us to do? To paste it in our desktop?
If you can, I mean, whatever is more comfortable for you. The idea is that you don't lose it. You don't lose it.
Oh, no, it's in my download file by default, like you say.
Yeah, okay, perfect. And when you open it, it's exactly
Yes, that's what I'm seeing. Yes.
Exactly. So everybody should have that now. What we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be copy and pasting that to our copens. Okay, guys. So I want to make sure that every one of you have the copen and every one of you have the file, because otherwise we're gonna be left behind. Okay, so Sonia. Okay, perfect. Give me 1 second. Here. Josephine, trying to download that again, okay? Maybe just trying to reloading the web page. Okay, Sonia is good. Evan is good. Ransha is good. Marion is good. Maricela is good. And same here, done with the down. Okay. Okay. Who else do we have here? Josephine, let me know how you're doing. And I think, okay, Josephine. Okay, I think pretty much everybody will. Okay, Josephine. Let me know how you're doing, because I know that I think you are new. I don't know if you are new. I think you are new. You're gonna be going to this webpage, copen.io. Let me send that again. And you're gonna be creating an account. I don't know if you have already an account, but you're gonna be creating an account in Copen. And in Copen, I'm sorry, You just need your personal email or your school email, whatever works for you, whatever is best for you. So just to let you know that, right? And if for the rest of us guys, let's create a new pen, okay? Let's create a new pen. Usually the view is like this, right? So all of you have to have something like this. So, okay, put this over here.
Hold on, please.
We're not working with the CSS, neither the JavaScript today.
Yeah, hold on.
All right, guys. Who has everybody there? That's good.
I'm sorry, Jorge. How do you put that view, the HTML, CSS, all that?
You just move the little tabs
No, but how do I get into that one?
in this web page. Okay, let me go to CodePen. Right, you go to CodePen, and because you if your account is open, it just show your account, right? Whatever you have in your account.
Right.
So what we're gonna be doing after that, we create a pen. We go to pen right here, create. We go to pen, right?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome, welcome, all the time. So let me know. Okay, guys. This is the first thing, right? This is something that I like to do.
Yes, got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. I like to do this because we're gonna be working only in the HTML today. Okay. So another thing that I like to do is to change the view. There is a button right here. I don't know if you guys see it. Change view, right? In your right, to your right top corner, right? So here is something that I think is more comfortable because our screens are rectangular. So even I think it's better to display like this. But whatever works for you guys, whatever is best for you. So what we're gonna be doing, we're going to okay, we have different options, right? Let's go back to the file, right? Let's open the file. And what you see is a web page, right? So now we go here and inspect. And we go to sources. Give me 1 sec. How can I do this? Doing this. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. I want to do this in Chrome. Press kind more tools, extensions. Oh, can I just copy and paste it? Oh, all right. Let's do it the way I always do it. We're gonna open this with the notepad. Okay. And then you just copy and paste everything. Copy and paste everything. Okay. So now, who got this? Who have something like this? Who's talking? Who has something like this? Let me know in the chat, guys, please. Because Well, you guys need to. I need, and you guys, need.
We copied the whole thing, right? It's
Yes,
a huge file.
exactly. Exactly. We're just copy and pasting. Why can't I see the chat? Oh my god. I just opened the file in a notepad. So you go to edit or just press Ctrl A, select all, right? And then Ctrl C or edit, copy, and then you paste it on the HTML tab, right? So
Now, oh, what are you
yes,
copy-
Sonia.
Oh, you just copied first, right? But from where? I just missed it. Sorry.
It's okay. So we are going here, foundation, right? So you download, right?
Yeah.
And then you go to the file. You go to the file right here. Oh, sorry. You go to the file, whatever you have the file that is right here.
Yeah, it's already. I have already opened. It's open.
But you open it with Notepad,
Oh.
okay? And then you select everything and you copy. And after you copy it, you go to CodePen. All right? Is anybody confused? Does somebody has problem with this? You guys doing good, please? Let me know, guys. That's what is the chat for, or just say something. All right. Yes, man, we copy all of it. Yeah. Okay, don't worry, Sonia. Let's see. Let's say that this is the file, right? So you go right click, open with Notepad, right? If you don't have that in your computer, you can go to choose another app, right? And then look for the Notepad here in more apps. You have to show. If you're working on a Mac computer, guys, just so you know, if you're working on a Mac computer, some of you, it's the same. It's completely the same thing. Okay. I cannot exactly show you how to do it in a Mac computer. If some of you have a Mac computer, we can figure that out anyway. Okay. You go to Notepad, and then in Notepad you open it. Sonia, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. So you copy, you do edit, select all, right? And then you do edit, copy.
Okay.
You have your CodePen open.
Yeah, it's open.
So we go to CodePen, right? And we go here. Maybe your CodePen is looking like this. Maybe your CodePen is looking like this. Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, right.
Like that? Okay, that doesn't matter. So what you're gonna be doing now is you just paste it. And that's it. Let me know you have it, all right?
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm in the same page.
This is Sonia, right? Okay, perfect.
No. That was Marcela's, Maricel Arias, I think. Not me.
Okay,
Yeah, that was me.
Oh, okay. So anyway, I don't know why you're having a problem, Sonia, but you have to paste it over here. I mean, don't worry if you don't understand right now exactly what we're doing. Don't worry for that. But if you got it pasted, that's what we need right now. So let's work.
I
Yes?
I already had the problem with copy pasting.
Okay.
I didn't get it.
I mean, if it's not showing up, that's the problem.
Yeah.
If the web page is not showing up, the live web page is not showing up, just
No.
don't worry for that. Just press save, guys. Usually that happens. Don't worry. Press save and then reload the web page, and it should show up. Okay, that works.
So far, so good.
Okay, perfect. So I assuming that all of you guys that didn't say anything in the chat, that you are good. Okay. Okay. So question, who doesn't have it? I think Sonia maybe is the one only having problems right now. But who else, if some of you doesn't have this?
I don't have it.
Ransha, you don't have it yet?
Yeah.
Okay, is the code pasted over here?
What?
I mean, you have the code in the HTML part, or you paste the code somewhere else?
No, I didn't see the code. Like from where I have to paste the code.
Exactly. So you got, okay. You have to open the file like this. I mean, like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you copy it, right?
Yeah, I didn't open in Notepad.
Yeah, that's the thing. We need to open in Notepad.
Yeah, that's why I couldn't get this year.
Oh,
I downloaded, but I couldn't get the notepad. That's
okay. I
yeah.
see. I see. Okay. Okay. Uh, which Notepad is easier. So for both of you, are you here? I mean, do you have the file? Do you localize the file? Do you know where the file is? That's for Ransha and for Sonia. Because what we have to do is make a run. Yeah.
My computer didn't show me like the Notepad option.
Sorry.
My computer didn't show me the Notepad option. So how can I open it with Notepad?
We can go to choose another app.
Yeah, I give you the selection to choose another app, and then when you choose another app, it will give you that notepad selection.
Exactly. Let me know if you girls are here, okay? Let me see. There's another way to. Usually the chat is not working. Okay. A lot of people having problems with that. So again, where do I find the code? You gotta go to the file that you just download, right? 1 second. Ooh. Yeah, it's the same thing. I mean, it's the same thing. Notepad for those who are using Windows, Notes for those who are using Mac. Okay.
Yeah. I have to like download the whole code.
I mean, we download already the code.
So I have to copy the whole code.
Yeah, we have to copy
The whole code.
Yeah, exactly. So, well, that was Rancher, right? Sonia, let me know
Yeah.
if you're able to open it. I mean, we go to choose another app, or in case you're using a Mac with Nose, you go to Notepad, right? We do, okay? We select it, we copy it, and then we paste it. Very straightforward. So I know some of you guys are like, okay, what we're gonna be doing, right? As I was explaining before on the other classes, the idea of this project is that we're going to be working in a store, okay? In the project for this class is an online store. What kind of stores? You have 4 options. You can get, for example, a cell phone. I haven't forget all of you girls, okay? Just so you know. Cell phone store. Cell phone store. Best Buy. For example, we go to cell phone store, or we want to do watches.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਣਾ
Sorry, ladies, I'm gonna. For example, we gotta do watches, a watch store, or we're gonna be doing shoes store. Right? You want to do a shoe store, or maybe you want to do cell phone, watches, shoes, book stores.
Sorry, George. The class is until what time?
Sorry?
The class, how long is it?
I mean, the coding class is until 2. But if you need to do anything, or we completely understand. No.
No, it's okay. I just want to know.
All right. Perfect. So, for example, a strong bookstore. So this is, you want to do a bookstore right here, you know? So we have 4 options for your project, guys. You have to pick one. You gotta pick between watches, cell phones. Oh my God, these offers. Cell phone, watches, shoes, or books, right? Just to let you know. And
Did you say pictures?
sorry, what was that?
Did you say pictures?
I mean, we're
You
gonna
said books and then
do cell phone, watch, watches, shoe store, or books,
okay.
or options. Yeah.
Okay.
So, so who's there? Ransha, Josephine, Sonia. Let me know if you're here, please. If you got to copy the code.
yeah I'm here
Ransha, you're good? Okay.
mm-hmm.
Okay. Somebody else? Sonia, Josephine?
No, I still didn't get it yet.
No.
Okay. Let me see if I can do something else. Because I really, it's important. It's important for you girls to have everything, all the code. So another way to do it is just to, but this is Google Chrome. I don't know what are you using. So I go to inspect. If you're using Google Chrome, you go to inspect. I mean, you just open the file with the Google Chrome or the navigator, and we use the inspect tool. We press inspect. This is a development tool, just to let you know. And here you're just gonna select everything. Let me see. I'm gonna select everything. Let me see if I can select everything. Copy. What element? I need everything of this web page. How can I select everything? Oh, okay, this is giving me a hard time. Give me 1 second. Sources. Okay. I think now I'm able to do it. Yeah, I'm able to do it now. This is more complicated, by the way. It's way more complicated. But if you get it done this way, you get it done this way. I mean, so for you who are using a Google Chrome, I cannot tell about the other ones because there is a lot of browsers. But I think if you're using Google Chrome, maybe this is the way to do it. Okay, you just go to inspect, right? And then you go to source, you open the file, and then you select everything. You copy, and then you paste it over here. Right?
Hello.
I hope that helps. Okay. So let's move on, guys. Let's start working on it. So let me show you what I was doing before, something that I was doing before. And the idea is that you guys can do something. I mean, we can move even further than this today. Okay, this is not what it is. This is not. This is not. This is not. Open. And you work. Oh, pens. Right here. Hey. This one. This is the web page that I was doing, right? And I'm gonna keep modifying this. So what I'm gonna be asking you guys for today, because we're gonna see. I think that for some of you, this is kind of very straightforward, very easy. If you are this person, please get them at least 4 pictures, make one of the buttons work, and change at least half of the content of the template. You can see this is exactly the template. I know you noticed, but it's exactly the template. All right. Market inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 links. I changed that for what Joe watches. So whatever name, but it can be books. Okay. I don't want you to be using watches just because I using watches. I like very nice watch. Yes. Right. What about us? Contact. Good watches, still, use watches or warranty. But you can put anything else. I want you to be original, guys, okay? I want you to have fun. That's what this is the requirement, guys. Have fun doing this.
Yeah.
The problem right now might be that you don't have, the problem might be that right now you don't have the the template working, but as long as you get it pasted, then you're gonna be having fun with that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys where to modify the code. Okay, so for example, let's go to HTML template. Let's try to do this together. All right, let's go to line 6. Okay, line 6, title. What's going to be the title? You can put whatever you want, but the title is right here. Is this what you are seeing right here? HTML template foundation. The title is foundation welcome. The title is shoe store boots. That's the title. So because this is watches for me, I'm going to be putting as watches. Just to say something, all right? Okay, this, and then move on. As you can see, they do a really good job. I mean, they do a really good job. They actually specify everything. This is the start top bar, right? Start or top bar. So all this code over here, all this code over here is related to this bar over here. Okay. So let's say, is everybody there? Is everybody? Let me know if you guys are modifying this, because we are working the project right now. Just so you know. Marketing side. Okay. Put Joe, and please, I don't wanna see exactly what I have. Okay, be original. Then I'm modifying the link. For example, about us. And then I say contact, for example. And then I say watches. Then I say, for example, all watches. Then we say gold washes. Demon washes. Then I say over guarantee. All right. All right. Who was able to modify anything in the web page? Please, guys, tell me anything. Don't leave me alone. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mimi. If I see what you are doing now, we're using the images to have it be in the web layout. It is all right. Yes, images. We mean to select one of them. Okay, Evan, sorry, for some reason, the Zoom doesn't give me the notifications. I think I'm just gonna need to keep it somehow here. So I can see it all the time. I can see all the time. Okay. Oh my God, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, guys. This something can be annoying. Sorry. So, yeah, for images, use thing for images, we use the links for the images, right? Yeah, completely right. through the link, the image is right. I see. Yeah. So if you are copy and pasting images right now, you gotta be careful with something. You want to be picking up images this size, okay? Why this size? Because then if you pick pictures that are very small or very large, then it's gonna change the how it looks, okay? Just to let you know. What I mean for that, I mean this. For example, let me, I think I have it open somewhere. Give me 1 second. Let you know. For example, here, this is the same project that we're doing right now. Exactly the same, right? Where you see the pictures are huge. And you see this picture, these two pictures have completely different sizes. So if you can do everything even, 300 for 300 times 400 pixels, that'd be great, okay?
Sorry, how do you adjust that?
It's not that you adjust them. Let me show you what I do to make your life easier. Okay. What you do is that you go to, for example, images search engine, right? I don't think Google is that good anymore because the size tools in Google, you cannot put the size like before. So for example, you go to an image search engine. The one that I was using was Yandex. And in Yandex, I type, for example, watch. And here I go to size, right? And I go, what is the size that we are looking for? We're looking for 300, 400, right? So 300, 400. This is what I got. Look, this is amazing. So I just go here, right? And I copy image address. I copy the image address. After we copy the image address, we go here, for example, and this is the picture that I was going to be changing, for example. So I go to the, let me go here. I go where it is. This is the slice for the bigger picture. And here on line 58, for example, we have the first picture. I copy and paste it, copy and paste the link, and voila, you see the picture. That's how you copy and paste pictures. I wasn't explaining that before because I want to make sure, guys, that all of you already modified the content. I mean, already modified a little bit of the content, the web page.
I'm sorry, when you went to Yandex, then you went to, how do you get 3 by 400?
Give me 1 second. Where's Yandex? When it was here. Okay, just open it again. I type it in, I look for image search engine in Google, and then I just open Yandex.
Yeah, I'm in there.
Right? You're in Yandex. Are you doing watches or you are doing something different?
No, no watches.
For example, let's say that you are doing books. Or let's say you are doing woman shoes. I don't know. An example. Right? So this is the topic of your online store, just to say an example, right? So you go to size, and then you type it in the size that we need, right? And voila, here we go, right? You have that?
Okay, let me check.
Evan, let me know how you're doing, please. Josephine, I haven't forgot about you. Sonia, I haven't forgot about you. If you, Sonia, Ransha, you still have that problem, let me know because we can share the screen very quickly, your screen very quickly, and we can get that done very quickly, okay? Evan, yes, we do copy image address, yeah.
When you go, for instance, you put women's shoes, then what do you, I'm sorry, where do you click to see the 300 by 400?
Yes, because that's how the template is
No, but what do you click? I know it's in images. And then,
oh, you go here on size. Is the bottom, hold size, and then you put the size over here.
it doesn't, hold on, it doesn't, why doesn't allow me to do that?
Okay, let me do it again. 1 second. You're in Yandex, right?
Yes.
We'll go search. Okay, Yandex. Oh, let me just. Oh, here is Yandex, right? So you go to size. Size.
Fina, baja la voz.
It doesn't give me the option of size. I don't know why.
That's weird. That's weird. Because maybe you are in Yandex, but you are not. I mean, it's showing all the pictures or it's showing you content? Because maybe you are in the image tab. You see? You go to images, and then you go to size, and then you can pick the size.
Can I share my computer? It doesn't allow me. I don't know why.
Oh, you want me? Okay, perfect. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second because this is always kosher. Okay? Give me 1 second. What is this, man? Okay.
Mhm.
Give me 1 second. I always have problems with that. Yeah. Mute all, invite. Where's settings? Settings. Okay, allow participant to mute themselves. Enable where you know log meeting. Disable participant attention, names, annotators, file floating.
Yes.
Compare sound. Annotate, share. Access, lens. Oh my god, what's going on? I don't find it. It's in options. Where are the freaking options? Video settings, virtual background, the computer, send assistant. I don't know what's going on. Let me tell you. Where is it? I don't get it. Maybe I don't. Okay, let me stop. Let me stop the recording because maybe that's why I cannot see the settings. Okay, and then I think. Oh wait. Stop the share. Okay, sorry. I thought stop sharing. Okay, now I can see. Okay. Okay, now you can wait. Okay, you can do it now. All right.
Okay, give me one.
Marisela, you can do it now. All right.
Yeah. Hold on.
Could you tell me like where we set the size of the pictures, images?
Okay. Maricela is gonna be sharing. She's gonna be sharing. So when as she's shared, you're gonna be able to see it. If not,
Okay.
explain that to you again, okay?
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, let's go now to just type it in. Okay, doesn't give you. So now you
Does
go to filters on your right. To your right side, right of the screen filters, the very right. Behind you, behind you, and a little down, go down, there's filters. And now you can see size. Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
Here we go. All right, Ransha, now you can stop sharing. Okay, Ransha,
Thank you.
welcome. I don't know if you got that, but let me show you that again.
Stop sharing. So you can...
I get it.
Oh, nice. Perfect.
Yeah.
So let me know how you guys doing. Marion, Sonia, Evan, Josephine, Jadas, I think that's your name. Jadas, you're in an iPhone. Oh, Xavier. Xavier, I think you were here last time. Let me know. I'm not sure. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry. It's kind of late right now. Just try to catch up a little bit. The orbit sliding doesn't work when I try to click the right or left arrows. Don't worry too much right now for that, okay? Don't worry too much for that right now. Just try to change the pictures that you saw over there, all right? Jadas, if you have a computer, you can log in with the computer. If not, next time try to do it in a computer because it's very difficult to try to catch up everything when you are using your phone, all right? So let's move on. Okay, Joe watches. Joe watches. Okay, sorry. Okay, Jadas. Yeah, I
George, right now, once we have those pictures, it doesn't allow us to save it. It just only says to copy the link.
yeah, exactly. Copy the link. Exactly. That's the idea actually, to copy the link, not even to download it. You don't want to download the picture actually. We download the file, we download the template because we wanted to copy and paste the template. That's the only reason we download something today. Well, my idea, guys, is that you can use, you don't need your computer or you don't need to do anything in your computer different than in your browser. That's the idea. So you get used to do some things in the cloud and cloud things kind of. So remember, guys, you have 4 options: cell phones, watch, shoes, and books. So I'm gonna be doing this as well. What you're saying, Xavier, this is completely true. This is completely true. The thing is that we're using CodePen, and in CodePen to upload files, I think you have a limit amount of files that you can use. So that's the problem. So we do need to use links. Because this is an example project, it's not a big deal. But if you're doing like something serious, you need to set up your online clouds, web page, your online cloud servers or whatever it is, or just do something more a little professional. But for this project, that's fine. Yeah, that's completely fine. So okay, this is kind of what I'm doing. We're gonna be working hand by hand with you guys. Okay.
Sorry, once we save the link, where we put it so we can see it.
Or you just copy the address of the link. For example, you copy this link, right? copy link address, and then you paste it. Where do you paste it? That's the real question. And that's the main question that I want you guys to ask me.
Okay, hold on.
So for example, I already made these buttons, right? So let's move on a little bit. For example, I don't want all this content. I think for me, this content, I don't want this content. I'm gonna modify this very quickly so you can see that you can do this very easy. Large vertical column. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, I just want. I want to get rid of this. Top products. Okay. Guys, let me know if you have any question, okay?
Could you tell me like where we have to paste the image address for the very first cover image?
Sorry, can you say that again?
Like, could you tell me like where we have to paste the image address for the very first cover page in the HTML?
And in HTML, what I would like you guys to do is to have at least 3, 4 images, no matter if it's here in the big banner, or maybe these little ones. If you have like 3, 4 pictures, that'd be
I couldn't find in like code like where I have to paste the HTML address in code. Sorry, image address.
okay. Where to paste it? Think.
Yeah.
For example, right? What I recommend you guys is to go step by step and try to understand the codes, right?
Okay.
The HTML stack, the document start here. This is the head. This is only configuration, right? I just change the title. Please change the title, right? Line 6. Then start the bar, this bar over here. So for that bar, change the names. This is the name of the company. This is my name. You choose your own name. These are my links. You choose your own links, right?
Oh, okay.
So until line 29, there is all this is a bar, right? Then it comes configuration a little bit for the slides, right? Right here. I need to put this here so it looks a little better. So this is configuration for the slides, right? But you just want to change the picture. These are the pictures. IMG. The IMG tag is the tag for pictures in ing is the tag for,
Yeah, I did that for the 300 by 400, but it says the link is not accessible. I don't know.
the link is not accessible. That's weird. That's weird. What I advise you to do is to first of all double check if the link is in quotation marks. That's the first thing.
Oh, okay.
And the second thing is double check if the link, if you copy and paste the link correctly. And if still it's not working, then just change the link. So guys, we have an announcement. If you all guys can go to your email, sorry, to your chat, to the chat, it's gonna be reading it. Before we grab up today, for those who are new today, please just Uni or the other email below so we can continue to send you current information of the coding club. All right? Thank you guys.
So, I'm sorry. I only deleted that options is 300 by 400.
Okay. For example, here, 300, 500, where it is, for example, here, this one. That's what you mean?
Yes, sir. So I copy and paste and I leave the quotations.
Within the quotations, and it's not working.
It's still not working, so I don't know.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what I just did. Let me show you. See what I just did, right? Let's do it again. I have this right here, right? 1 second. It's not reloading. Let's reload this web page. Okay. So far, I only have one picture, right? This one. Where it goes is here, right? This one, the second one, right? So the second picture that I want to change is this one, right? So I select only the link and I leave the quotation marks, right? And I erased. Getting source, CSRZ, right? Here.
Yes.
So what I'm gonna do is that I go, for example, because this is watches. Let me close all these tabs. Right? I'm gonna do it again. Yandex, images, watch. I put the filters, right? Filters, size, 300, 400. Okay. And then I just pick one of them, right? Oh, look at this. It's like the ancient Egypt or something. It's kind of cool. So let's see. I go to copy image address, right? Then I go to Copen. I paste it and see what happens. Voila, I have two beautiful watches now. What about you?
Okay, let me try it again.
Yeah. Evan, Xavier, Maricela, Marium, right? What are you guys doing?
I finished up the 4 images.
Who's this? Xavier?
No, it's Evan.
Evan? Okay, perfect. Oh wow, that's good, man. That's good. That's good.
Oh yeah, also, is it okay if I link my privately send my email to to the person in charge for the link for the club?
Yeah, sure. That's completely fine.
Because I put it privately instead of everyone. Is that fine?
Yeah, of course. That's completely fine. Don't worry.
I privately send it to Mimi though.
All right, that's great. That's great. That's even better. Yeah. All right. Actually, if you send all that to Mimi, that's even better, I think. All right. So, Evan, also change the names of the watches, for example.
Yes, sir. I did.
Yes, I mean, you're doing watch or doing something different? I'm just doing watches, but I mean, the idea is to do something different.
Oh, I did the phones.
Pumps, that's great. That's great. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna put, for example, I don't know what's the brand. That's a Tissot, and because I don't know about watches, I'm gonna Tissot T56, whatever it is. And it's look expensive. So let's see, I don't know, whatever, $800, right? And now the Tissot is the reference. And this is, for example, let's say this is a, I don't know, let's be very cheap, Casio. And this, because it's Casio, is very cheap. Let's say it's 300, I don't know. Right? And now, remember to save, guys, okay? It doesn't save by itself. You're gonna save, okay? So now I'm gonna paste another picture. Right? Gonna be pasting. Wow, look at this watch, man. Kind of cool.
Yeah, George, it works. Thank you.
All right, perfect. Thank you for letting me know. All right, guys, so I'm gonna keep working. Let me know if you have problem copying and pasting the links for the pictures. I think everybody's over there. Helen, how are you? I didn't know you were a senator. That's great. We're working already in the project. Anyway, you can see the session. We're going to be uploading the session online. So anyway, I think you're going to be able to catch up. And that applies for everything who was late. Okay. Okay, okay, I'm here, right? We're going to be pasting. I'm going to try to do this faster because we need time. Oh, wow, look at this. Image address. Okay, and this one is Atom. These diamonds, they say it's about $1,200, 12,000. I don't know. Modify the prices, modify the links, modify everything you like, guys. The most you are doing, the best, because the idea is that you get an actual semi-functional web page. That's going to be your project, and we are working the project right now, right? Evan, my friend, you are hungry, and I am hungry as well. So don't worry. If you want to leave right now, that's good. That's good. Just before leaving, just show me whatever you have. Okay. I'm gonna stop sharing the screen right now, and you can share your screen. Okay. Okay, Evan. You did a great job. Okay, about us, can I see the links over there in the top? You move to the top. Option search, health, shopping carts. About us. Okay, go down. For newest products, iPad. Perfect. We're gonna be working on this class. If you want to working by yourself, that's okay. All right. So you can stop sharing the screen now. You're good to go. All right. Very good job. So let me. Yes, Evan, exactly. We're going to continue with this next week. We're going to be continuing with that next week. All right. Yes. For now, that's okay. That's completely fine. What I want you guys is to get used, first of all, to the tools that we have in the internet, to get used to that, and also to do something that is good. I mean, that is good to your eyes. Not just a web. It's not a web page that is for a school that doesn't look good. You know, we want to do something nice. The idea is for you to modify all the content and do something that you can put in your portfolio. All right. So anyway, okay, let's move on. Questions, guys. Do you have any questions, guys? Please let me know if you are doing okay pasting the pictures. If you have problem with that, I've been trying to copy and paste some pictures, and also for you to see. You want me to repeat? I repeat. And let me know how you guys doing also with the test. Okay, you are able to modify the test, modify the pictures. All right. Example, I want to watch a watch that is called, oh, this is rose gold. It's interesting. All right. Example, this one, the image address, then go to the code, then I look where, okay, this one, I don't know why, but this one it's not working. Doesn't matter. It's another one. And voila, the picture is working now. So now, here I put the example called, because this gold is expensive, so let's say 2,000. I don't know, right? If you look, you're able to do this, right? So let's say that I want to have the 5 pictures, the 4 pictures that I said. Let's say that I want to put in a slide. So I want to put on a slide. Let's see. So because for the slide, I want to change the size. So the size, what is the size for the slide? 2,750. And look at this, right? Go here, copy the image address. Here. Okay. Here are the pictures, for example. I don't want 4, maybe I just want 3. Why not? I erase one, and then I go here, right? Watch. This picture is nice. Copy image address. Go here. And then I want another one. Okay. If the slide is not working correctly, guys, don't worry for that. That's completely normal, okay? Don't get stressed for the if the slideshow doesn't work correctly. So watch. Now here, I want to add a link. So let's see what I'm gonna do. So for example, I saw the diamond, this diamond one. I don't know what kind of this is thing of image. Image of some. All right, guys. How are you guys doing? Please let me know. Everybody is so quiet. What's going on? Oh,
No, we're working on the thing. We're modifying the webpage. Just do one.
all right. Just want to make sure. Perfect. So we have only 8 more minutes, guys. So let me know how are you guys doing. Okay. Okay, let me try to copy and paste a link. What's this? Oh my god. It's getting so complicated now. Okay. Look at the watch I have. The watch I have is the Tissot with the 3 little things. This one, right? 160 euros. 168 pounds actually. I want to copy and paste this link, for example. Because I wanted to make it real, right? So I go here, it is up. 160 pounds should be about $200. And let's say, where's the link? Oh, Href. Href, we put the links, right? So if I press here, right, then it opens another web page. What about that? So now I have a web page. Let me display this in full screen. You know what? I think I'm just gonna copy and paste it. I'm gonna do this because I want to display it the right way. Your watch. All right. And here's the web page. I hope that you guys have something like that. Don't worry for the slide, for the slideshow. Usually that has problems, but at least I want you guys to have something, you know.
Wait, what about the href part? Like, so when it comes to href, like for 240, like will that, or for 239, will that be like for the first 4 of the images shown?
Wait. You are talking about the code? What line of are you talking about?
Yeah, the code.
What line?
Line 239 through 242.
239, 242. Okay, you're talking about these links.
Yeah, like how do you have to like when you click on buy, it'll send you to a different link.
No, it's the same. I mean, H reference stands for link, right?
Yeah.
For example, the link that I have over here for buy, I can put over here. I mean, the thing is that it doesn't make any sense, but I can do it. I can do it. Right now, guys, I'm gonna give you a lot of liberty to all of you to do a lot of things. I mean, since now, I'm gonna give you a lot of liberty to do whatever you like with the web page. If you wanna take away things, for example, the slide, I think I'm gonna take the slides. I mean, the slideshow because it's giving problems. But if you want to add other things, you want to add more of this, add it. You just copy and paste it. You want to get rid of this, get rid of it. What I want you guys is to have something that is presentable and that looks complete. Something that when you see it, you think you can buy. That's the actual idea, right? Because we want to have web pages, or we have to have something that we can show in our portfolio. So now, guys, we only have 3 minutes. Marisela, can you show me what you have, please? Somebody else want to share anything they have? I'm going to stop sharing right now. So Sonia, Evan is still here. Well, Evan already did it. Ransha, Mariu, Xavier, Josephine, Marisela, Kenlam. Please, who would like to share?
Yeah, give me a moment.
Oh yes, please. You can. Yeah. Somebody else is. If somebody else is ready, let me know. We have 2 more minutes. It doesn't have to be complete, okay? Something that is very important for you guys who are new, especially, is that we are not grading you, okay? If you do it, it's good. If you don't do it, it's good. This is completely voluntary. This is completely optional. And what we really want to do is to help you guys to have something to show when you graduate and that you have an idea, right? So, Marisela got some high heels over there. Very nice. Very nice. You change it, black and white shoes, the shoes with black and blah, 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 blah. This looks good. And go to the top of the web page. Marketing site. Okay, just try to remember, pick a name and try to change that. You can do that later. I'm gonna be
Yeah, I didn't work. I'm sorry, I didn't work the top. I was trying
It's
to put that big image for 2000 by 750, and then I was going to modify those things.
all right. Very good job. Very good job. Somebody else that would like to show whatever they have. You don't have the pictures. Doesn't matter. At least if you have maybe the test. If you modify any of the content, that's good as well. All right. Some of you over there.
I'll go.
Okay, sure. Mariam. Okay. Right. Good job.
That's all.
Very good job. Okay. Very good job. Looks very good. I will buy a watch. All right. Somebody else want to share whatever you have?
I want to share, but I don't know how to share.
Oh, that's a good question.
May I help him? May I help her?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, so in order to share, you press the mid button which says share screen.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
All right. Looks good. Looks good. Can I see the top of the web page, please? Oh, wow, that picture is very nice, let me tell you. Very good job. Precious books, you changed some of them, some of the links. Good. You okay? Our newest product.
Thank you.
All right, sure. You can stop sharing now. I think it's somewhere, yeah, in the same button, somewhere. So guys, thank you for coming. Okay, we're gonna be wrapping up now. So just to let you know, yeah, we're gonna be working on the project next class. We're gonna be working on this. Be sure that you are saving. Please save everything. Don't forget your CodePen account and your CodePen password, because we're gonna be using that next class. We're gonna be working more and more on this part class. Well, well, I don't know if you have any more questions. Would you like to say anything else? You guys good? All right, guys. So for coming. Well, we don't have any more time right now. Sonia, don't worry. Whatever you have next class, we're gonna be working with that. Okay. I'm gonna make sure that you at least you can modify the template. Don't worry for that. I think you still can catch up. Okay.
Have a good day, everybody. Thank you. See you
All
next
right,
week.
guys.
All right, see you guys later.